Alright, here's the next episode of Random Method Ideas. So this one's for square one. So it begins the same way as normal. You're gonna start by doing cube shape, which should be like this. Here's when it gets different. You're gonna solve all the corners using one algorithm. So I don't know all of them, obviously, so I'll just do two look. It's pretty simple. And then you're gonna put every edge opposite of the edge the opposite should be. That's kind of confusing. I'll explain. So these two would be correct. They're both white edges, and one's green and one's blue, and those are opposite colors. So these two are correct. These two, they're both yellow, but one's orange and one's green. So if the red one was here, these two would be correct, and if the blue one was here, these two will be correct. So that's the kind of idea of it, is to use one algorithm, or maybe two, depending, to orient, whatever you call it, put every edge opposite of the edge it should be opposite of. I don't know all the algorithms, so I just do random things until they work. So let's see. This one here. Something like this. As you can see, everything is opposite of the edge it should be opposite with. So the rest of the solve is pretty fun. You just solve it with M2 moves, something like this, and then you're done. So the last step is pretty cool. So the reason why I just quit this method is recognition of putting the edges opposite of each other is just really hard, and there's a lot of algs for it. I'm not sure how many, and there's not really a good way to sort the algs, and I just gave up on that. But here's another variation. This one's kind of for Roux, so cube shape as normal, but like Roux, you're gonna solve blocks like this, left block, and we'll solve the right block. Not that good at block building. I don't use Roux. Okay. So that's another block. Put it at the bottom. Alright, we skipped a step. We're supposed to solve the corners next, but we skipped that. So the last step is just to, well, the sub step is just to, the same thing as before. We put every edge opposite of the edge it's opposite of. Yep, so that's it. And then you just do the rest. So this one we have parity. Yeah, so these methods are pretty cool. I was just trying to get an idea of a method that ends up with M slices, like Roux and 3x3. You see how M slice moves, so I want to see if you can use the M2 at the end of the alg and see how that works. The methods are not that great, but they can get some good times. I will show some decent times of these methods afterwards. But that's it. If you guys want to try these methods, feel free. Don't have any algs for the cases, so I just do random things until something works. So that's it. Thanks for watching.